Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Apache with GoDaddy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Sign in to your GoDaddy account. Navigate to your product page. Locate your hosting account and click on Manage. In the account dashboard, scroll down to the Settings section. Find and select Server under the Settings menu. Choose Apache from the available web server options. If Apache is not installed, look for an option to install Apache. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the installation process. Once the installation starts, wait for it to complete. Check your email for a confirmation message from GoDaddy. Return to your hosting dashboard after receiving the confirmation. Open the File Manager from the dashboard. Locate the directory where you want to host your website. Upload your website files to that directory. To test your Apache server, open a web browser. Type in your domain name and hit Enter. You should see your website up and running. If there are any issues, return to the File Manager to check your files. Make sure that your configuration is correct. If necessary, use the terminal to troubleshoot any server issues. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Apache on GoDaddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.